Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to pin a tweet on Twitter. What you need to do, first just go to Twitter and look in your account, and here what's happening, just write what do you want. Okay, for example, hello everybody. How are you doing? Okay, now just click here, tweet, and then here click on the three dots and then click here, pin to your profile. This is what you need to do if you want to pin a tweet on Twitter. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.